So what I've determined from your questioning me is you want a jury trial today. It's not happening.
I got scared, didn't know what was going on, and I made a bad decision. I work in security.
And this is where you are.
Judge, I've been confirmed with Megan.
All right, Megan.
So Judge, this is a case I took over for Tony Jimenez. He had withdrawn. There was an additional file that was filed under a AKA, and I need some additional time to go through all the discovery and then figure out what motions to file, and then also to file a speedy trial motion. But I asked for the last time we were here, I think they couldn't find the files. They found two of them, and the other one is under a different name, and they're going to get that one too. But I think we should have all the discovery.
All right. So does he only have 3 cases?
That's my knowledge, yes.
All right. So you have all the discovery?
My understanding, yes.
State, were you able to tender an offer?
There's one in the file, Your Honor.
All right. So what I'll do is I'll set it for a plea deadline date.
No.
Counsel, how much time are you asking?
I'd say 60 days if I could, Judge, so I can go through all this stuff. I'm pretty backed up in January, particularly in this court.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, if I can have a 45-day reset for a plea deadline date on McKinney.
Very Solomonic split.
See, there you go.
I can do February 3rd.
All right, February 3rd, that's when we'll bring you back. On that date, you need to let the court know whether or not you've reached an agreement with the state. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
All right, do you have any questions about anything?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure.
Judge, if we could we do the 4th? I'm set on the jury docket in Atascosa in district court. I don't think I'll go, but I'll need to announce.
Norma, can you put this on the 4th?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you, Judge.
And you said you had something you wanted to say?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you cleared that with your defense attorney to see if it's appropriate?
Judge, if he wants to speak, I have no problem with that.
All right, yes.
Thank you a lot. And if you would, may now please establish this on the record, please.
Oh, sure. We're going on the record in 2024 CR 009238, 2024 CR 012230, and 2024 CR 012200, State versus Raymond Lee McKinney. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Megan Galloway for the state of Texas.
Robert Maurer for defendant.
And are you Mr. Raymond Lee McKinney?
Yes, I am.
All right, there's something you wanted to address?
Yes, ma'am. It is. I want to bring to the court's attention from the onset and cause number 2024 CR 009238. From the onset, I have expressed my desire with the attorney before, Antonio Jimenez, in addition to Mr. Robert Maurer, my wish to proceed in the fastest fashion possible.
Okay.
In addition to that, with the other causes or case numbers, 2024 PF 1622 4 and 2024 PF 16225, I've done the same. Considering Mr. Maurer has been the attorney in those matters solely. Here it is. It's from the June case in CR 009238. I've been pending prosecution since June 14th to be exact. And even with the court, with the presiding, I have expressed same assertions. And I'd like for the record to reflect that I insist on moving as fast as possible. I understand that Mr. Maurer here has other matters, but I mean, I'm constantly being put at the back end of those matters or at the bottom of the totem pole, so to say. So if the court would, no disrespect to Mr. Maurer, I'm pretty sure he's a swell attorney. Provide me somebody who could aid and assist me in the matters as speedily as possible.
Judge, I would have no objections to withdrawing. I tried 3 cases in the last 2 months that are jail cases, including a murder case and a sexual assault. So if he wants somebody else, Judge, I would be more than happy. There are many able attorneys that I'm looking at in this court who would do a great job on this case.
All right. I appreciate that. Let me explain.
again, I
something.
mean-
No. Let me explain something to you, Mr. McKinney.
Yes, ma'am.
I understand what you're saying. And the state of our society has always been that there are always people who are alleged to have committed offenses. So I want you to turn around and look behind you. No. Turn around, look. No. Turn around, look behind you. All of those people are defendants who have cases on the docket. Look in the box. All those people have cases on the docket. There are cases that are capital murder cases that are set for trial that are ahead of yours. So even if your attorney were to say, I want to go to trial today, number one, we can't go today. Are there jurors even today? There are no jurors scheduled because they're taking time off for holidays. So even if you wanted a jury trial today and I was able to give you one today, I can't because I don't have any jurors. And what I can tell you is the inmates in the box cannot be on your jury panel. I think the state would probably object to them. The defendants in the gallery, they can't be on your jury. I think the state would probably object to them. And legally, because they're not a part of the rotation and they haven't been called up for jury duty, they can't be on your jury panel. So I don't even have jurors to go to a jury trial today. What I can tell you is this court is a trying court. And I think the defense attorneys and the prosecutors will tell you we're usually in jury trial almost every week or every other week. Your case, while I know you feel it's old, it is not old for the criminal justice system. And your case, the first time that I had you in this court was October 29th. And then an attorney withdrew, and your attorney on November 7th was actually in a jury trial. He can't be in two places at the same time.
But at that time, October 29th, he had asked for the court to grant him a reset for the next day, which would have been October 3rd.
He's in jury trial. Let me ask you this. If you have somebody who's in jury trial, and I will tell you, he's on the 3G list. So he's not trying the state jail felonies, of course, unless somebody wants a trial on the state jail felonies. The cases that he is trying are major cases. They're like murder cases. They're like 3G sexual assault cases. So the question for you is, do you understand that defense attorneys need a break too? Like putting them to trial for 1 week and they finish on a Friday, and then you say your next trial is on a Monday, they need mental health breaks as well. I've been a defense attorney, I've been a prosecutor. Even prosecutors need mental health breaks. So I think you want your attorney at his top performance. And part of being at his top performance is not being in back-to-back trials, which is what has happened with your attorney. You understand?
No,
So
I understand fully.
this is what is going to happen. On February 4th, that's going to be your plea deadline date. Either you worked out an agreement with the state or you have not. And then after that, you are getting a jury trial date. Can I give you a jury trial date in February? Yes, I can. But guess what? It's probably not going to go because we have a capital murder that the beginning of February. And then guess what? After that, we have a murder case. Then we have another murder case. Then we have another murder case. So I will put you in order as far as length of time that you've been in custody and whether or not you come up first before the other cases. Do you understand?
I understand. If you may,
All right.
if you may, now please say one additional
Sure.
thing, please. And so I don't get this Mr. School or mistaken speak. May I please grab what I'm going to say out of my photo, please?
I'm sorry, what?
May I please grab what I'm going to say out of my photo?
All right. What are your plans to say?
It's in regards to law.
All right. So
I don't want to mistake it.
all right. Here's the thing. There is nothing that I can give to you. Sometimes I ask people, what is it specifically you want? So what I've determined from your questioning me is you want a jury trial today. It's not happening.
That's not what I'm saying.
All right. Do you want a jury trial as soon as possible?
That's what I've been.
We will give you one as soon as possible. So thank you very much. Okay.
But again, dear judge, again, a backlog case is not justification to.
Judge, may I be excused?
deny me
Yes,
thank
the
you.
warden of my speedy trial.
All right. Thank you. All right. Vicente Bravo. And counsel, is this an application?
It is, Judge. Is that question for deferred?
All right. Probation, this is an application for deferred adjudication. Court is calling 2024 CR 4000, State of Texas versus Vicente Bravo. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Andrew Harris Edelman for the state.
Sean Simpson for Mr. Bravo.
And are you Mr. Bravo?
Yes, yes, sir.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Judge, I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Bravo, did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand it?
Yes, Your
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Judge.
States, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Bravo, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with evading arrest, detention in a vehicle? That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes,
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
yes,
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes,
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Judge.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Mr. Bravo, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes,
Are you a U.S. citizen?
yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, state is recommending deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes,
Defense, is that the plea?
That is, Judge.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 4 years and that there be 200 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes.
Then to the offense as charged, how do you plead? Guilty,
No
not
contest.
guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
Contained in Exhibit 1 attachments, Your Honor.
No objections.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the document entitled Wavering Consent to Stipulations of Testimony and Stipulations with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes,
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
yes,
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
yes,
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor.
All right, so why did you do this?
Uh, at the time, I did not know why they were arresting me, and I had just gotten out of work. So it was around 1 in the morning. I was tired, and I made the decision. What I did.
But according to the police report, it says that you pulled over, you got out of the vehicle, they were talking to you, and then you resisted arrest and you jumped back in the vehicle and then drove off.
When they first asked me to get out of the vehicle, I had asked what was the reason, and they didn't want to give me a reason. And they asked me again to step out of the vehicle. So again, I asked what was the reason, and they just said it was for their safety. So I was like, okay, I'll step out of the vehicle. Stepped out, and immediately that's when they started trying to put handcuffs on me. I got scared and undid myself, and I asked them, hold on, what's going on? And they didn't want to say anything and tried again. Again, I got scared, didn't know what was going on, and I made a bad decision that night.
How old are you?
I'm 23.
20 what?
23.
Do you have any children?
No.
All right. Do you live by yourself or with someone?
By myself.
And are you employed?
Yes,
What do you do?
I work in security.
Working security?
Yes.
And this is where you are? So with this, is security still going to allow you to work security?
I believe so.
Well, do they know about this?
Yes.
All right. And what is happening with the resisting arrest case? Was that ever filed?
The case has been dismissed, Judge.
All right. Court will sentence you to 3 years deferred adjudication. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Field visits, 1 time per month for 3 months. 200 hours of community service restitution. How far did you go in school?
I did some college. I was doing my associates for automotive engineering.
All right, so what are you planning on doing? Do you want to complete your college degree or?
Yes, I want to complete my college degree, but right now I have too many payments and I just have to focus on working to get rid of all those payments.
Too many payments for what?
My vehicle payments, my home rent, insurance, the court expenses. I also have tickets that I have to pay off.
Okay. All right, 200 hours community service restitution. I'm going to order defensive driving course. I think his tickets, they'll probably order that as well.
Yeah, Judge.
Yes, Your Honor.
So if he completes that under his traffic ticket issues, the court will take that into consideration.
Thank you, Judge.
Probation, is there anything else he needs?
No, Judge.
Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Off the record for a moment, there is not to be any talking behind the court reporter while we're on the record, please. All right. So we can, did you review the trial court certification of defendants' rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, we can go off the record. In this court, to be successful on probation, communication is key. If there's an issue, you need to let your probation officer know. If you feel they're not addressing it, you can come back to the court and address it with me. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, good luck to you. Remain in court, and probation will go over conditions with you. And thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
Thank you,
Have a
Your
good
Honor.
one.
Thank you, Judge. May we
Make better
proceed?
decisions, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, yes.